Up dear viewers, in this video I will show you how to generate general arrangement drawing in Tekla Structural Designer to make your work easier when you're doing the final structural drawings in AutoCAD. So we're going to generate this steel warehouse general arrangement drawings from Tekla Structural Designer to in DWG form. So we are having these footings. I will go to draw. You need to go to draw. You can see there are several options on the top. You need to go to draw, and you can click draw management. So click draw management. So on the drawing variant, you can select from here. For example, I want to select general arrangement. So you can click add. Okay. And then you can see there are warnings here. So drawing does not contain any member. Drawing does not contain any member. So you need to remove this warning, you need to click content. Okay. You click content and I can minimize and then select all of these. Okay, just holding control, or you can just pick that and drag it there. Pick that, drag it there, and pick this, drag it there. After that, you can just click OK. And then you the final step is to click view drawing. So I can uncheck here. I use automatic file name, and then change the file location. I want to save it to desktop. This one, I want to save to that folder, and then click save, and then click OK. Okay, now as you need to have AutoCAD in your computer. You need to have AutoCAD running in your computer because you're going to open the DXF file in AutoCAD. So I can go and change the drawing variant here. I want to change it to foundation layout. Okay, let me first select isolated footing details and then add, go to content. Now these are similar, but I'll just drag all of them. Okay, then okay, yes, no problem. Let's first we can view this arrangement drawing which we have just generated here in AutoCAD. As you can see, just no time we are able to do this. Okay, here is the elevation drawings. All right, so I'll go back to Tekla Structural Designer. Now I want to add, I've added foundation layout. Is it, I need to, okay, add. View drawing. Then I will change the location to here. Okay, so I need to go to desktop. I moved the location. That's the problem. Okay, then I can just save it. Then okay, it will open that one. Okay, now go back. I will change this one now to base plate details. Base plate details. Add content. Drag all of them, and then you click view drawing. Right, then I will change the location and check use automatic file name. Then I will select where I need to open. Add this, and then save. So it will open automatically in AutoCAD. Okay, then I can go now to my my location, and then I want now to open the last drawing that we just created, that is base plates. Okay, base plate details, you must click OK. I forgot to click OK. You have to click OK, and as you can see, here is all the details that are required. Okay, so that is it. This will mark the end of this video. For more videos like this, please consider to subscribe, please share, and also if you have any comment, please don't forget to put in my comment below. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.